Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to insert certain character every X characters into cell with Kutools for Excel. The VBA code may be somewhat difficult for most Excel beginners. Here I can introduce a handy tool, Kutools for Excel. With its add text feature, you can quickly add a specific text or character before, after, or the certain positions of the cell value. First, select the data range that you want to insert a specific character. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click Text drop-down list and select Add Text. In the Add Text dialog box, specify a character that you want to insert in the text box, and then from the position section, choose Specify. In the text box, enter the positions that you want to insert the character after. At the same time, you can preview the result in the right pane. Here I type 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15 in the text box of Specify, which indicates to insert the specific text after the 3rd, 6th, 9th, 12th, and 15th characters of the text string. Then click the OK or Apply button. The specified character has been inserted into the cell values at the specific positions. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.